Product name: IEC 320C14 socket, power supply, max. AC 250 volts 10A. Socket type: IEC 320C14. Terminals number: 3. Terminals size: 7 by 5 mm, 0. 27 by 0. 19, L*W. Total size: 5 by 2. 2 by 2. 9 cm, 2 by 0. 87 by 1. 14, L*WH. Fit for mount size: 2. 65 by 1. 85 cm, 1. 04x0. 73, L*W. Material: plastic, electronic parts. Color: black, silver tone. Weight: 37 grams. Package content: 4x IEC 320C14 socket. Features: AC 250 volts rating voltage, 10A current, 3 terminals. IEC 320C14 male connector, tabletop socket. Application: for UPS, vehicle power supply cabinets, lighting equipment, communications cabinets and other power devices. Top reviews from the United States. It fits and works perfectly. I needed one. I got 4 because the price made sense. 3-prong female connector commonly used on battery chargers. 5 stars. Female connector commonly used on battery chargers. Worked like a charm. These worked perfectly and were very easy to install. I need to replace 2 broken IECs on my Mirage OM6 speakers. These worked perfectly and were very easy to install. I highly recommend the seller and the IEC female receptacles.